to my work dungeon. This is where I work and edit and do magic. Today I'm going to tell you a story how once upon a time I saw some stuff on the internet and ended up buying a motorcycle without documents and needed to go 1,000 kilometers round trip to pick it up. Dismantle it right there, put the frame and the engine in the back seat, the rest of the bike in the trunk, and got it back all in one day, and I got only one police fine. Now let's go there and you will see everything. Watch, subscribe, like, do stuff. Today we're gonna put in some work on the XS400. It has this massively ugly square headlight and have no proper mounts for anything else. However, I do have an SR250 headlight, and it's round and it's in the molding and everything. It's not the most beautiful thing, but then again, neither are you. I have some mounts that I've jigged up, and I will have to butcher some more stuff because the fork tubes of XS are really small. The clamps were 43. I went to the plumbing area department store and I got this plumbing tube, which is exactly the inside diameter of the forks, and I think it will work like magic, guys. For today we finished. We just rebuilt the clips for the headlight, and we mounted this SR250 headlight on the SX400. I'm not entirely sure yet how I feel about this look. Probably needs to go lower and further in. I will show you around a little bit later. But that's it for today. I'll see you another time. See ya!